Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of interior design. If you've ever wondered how to transform a classic interior into a contemporary masterpiece, you're in the right place. We'll be exploring tips, tricks, and design secrets to give your home a stunning makeover. So, let's get started. 1. Understanding classic interior design. First, let's understand what makes classic interior design so timeless. Classic interiors often feature ornate details, rich colors, and elegant furniture. Think of crown moldings, vintage chandeliers, and luxurious fabrics. These elements create a warm and sophisticated atmosphere that's both charming and inviting. 2. Introducing contemporary design. Now let's shift gears to contemporary design. This style is all about simplicity, clean lines, and a minimalist approach. Contemporary interiors often use neutral colors, open spaces, and modern furniture. The focus is on functionality and creating a clutter-free environment. 3. Planning the makeover. Transforming a classic space into a contemporary one requires careful planning. Start by identifying the elements you want to keep and those you want to update. For example, you might retain a beautiful vintage chandelier but pair it with modern furniture and a fresh color scheme. Creating a mood board is a great way to visualize your makeover. Gather samples of paint colors, fabric swatches, and pictures of furniture pieces you love. This will help you see how everything will come together. 4. Executing the makeover. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, the execution. Start by decluttering the space and removing any outdated elements. Next, paint the walls in a neutral color to create a blank canvas. Choose modern furniture pieces that complement the existing classic elements you're keeping. 5. Finishing touches. The finishing touches are what truly bring the makeover to life. Add contemporary artwork, stylish rugs, and chic accessories to complete the look. Don't forget about lighting. Modern fixtures can dramatically change the ambiance of a room. Adding these finishing touches makes the space uniquely yours and elevates the overall design. And there you have it, a stunning transformation from classic to contemporary. We hope you found these tips and ideas inspiring for your own home makeover. Remember, the key is to blend the best of both styles to create a space that reflects your personality and taste. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends for more interior design ideas.